Hey guys, Monochrome here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Genuinely good to have you. What's the absolute best way to EDC a very small pair of folding scissors? And not just any folding scissors, currently the best design out there on the market. Yep, the Victorinox Classic SD. That's the best way to do it. Except if you have to deal with the TSA during air travel, if you work at a job site that has one of those zero tolerance weapons policies in place, which basically means all guns, all ammunition, and everything with a blade on it, including, that's right, this little guy. And finally, if you live in a foreign country with absolutely draconian laws as to what you're allowed to carry out in public as a citizen, oh yeah, worse than what you'll encounter in Great Britain. Because at least in Great Britain, because of the size of this blade and the fact that it's non-locking, as of the making of this video, the Victorinox Classic SD is going to be street legal even in Great Britain. But, yeah, that doesn't help you if you live in a foreign country where the laws are insanely strict. So what do you do? What do you do when you want to EDC a very useful pair of very small folding scissors? And again, the best design out there. What do you do? Well, TSA, certain workplaces, certain countries, this is not the answer. Here's a great alternative, and I'll be honest, the only reason why I bought this particular Victorinox model, the Jetsetter, is because I wanted a way to carry those excellent, very small folding scissors. That's the only tool I care about. And I wanted to do it in a way that would be completely legal pretty much everywhere. Because it's not just the TSA, it's not just certain workplaces, it's not just certain foreign countries. I mean, if you walk into your local post office in America with something like this, yeah, technically you're in violation of their no weapons policy. And post offices, yeah, that's federal jurisdiction. So, yeah. You definitely don't want to pick up federal charges. Realistically, would you with something like this? No, but the possibility is still there. So, Victorinox Jetsetter. Now, right off the bat, this is not a straight versus or comparison video. Like I said, I just wanted a way to carry a small pair of folding scissors on my keychain, no hassles, no headaches, no issues. This is about as good as it gets. So, Victorinox Jetsetter. You do get those excellent non-locking scissors. You do get the same quality split ring for attaching to your main keychain. You do get those excellent quality, very small tweezers as well. You do get the plastic toothpick, which, yeah, not the best, to put it mildly. So what's the main difference? Well, you lose the non-locking blade and you lose the non-locking fingernail file with the slotted driver. Those two features gone, replaced with this three-way combo tool. You have a very small three-dimensional Phillips driver. Behind that, a wire stripper notch. Not exactly ideal, but it does get the job done if you put in a bit of effort. And behind that, ubiquitous bottle opener. Again, not the best, but will get the job done with a bit of effort on your part. And as you can see, it is a pretty thick tool. And when it's folded up, yep. Let's just put these side by side. Hopefully you guys can see that. Yeah, that one odd three-way combo tool on the Jetsetter is just as thick as the file and blade feature together on the classic SD. And this way, yep, very similar, although that three-way combo tool sticks out a bit more from the handles. And yeah, I think the Jetsetter is actually the only Victorinox model out there that comes with a Phillips driver, but no slotted driver. So what do I think of it overall? Well, I wish this tool did not exist. I wish common sense prevailed. I wish this world wasn't as freaking insane as it is. But yeah, if you're traveling through the airport, dealing with the TSA, this is an option. It gives you some capability. If you're in a workplace with one of those zero-tolerance weapons policies in place, along with zero common sense, yeah, again, this is an option. If you're labeled a citizen in certain foreign countries, but realistically you're basically a slave, again, this is a good option. And yeah, I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. Yeah, that's what it is, guys. That's what it is. So for me, this is just a fantastic option because all I wanted was a very small pair of folding scissors, the best small pair of folding scissors out there. And I didn't want the hassle of walking into a post office And I've got this in the closed position dangling from my keychain. Postal worker notices and maybe says something to their supervisor. I don't need that headache. So yeah, here it is, Victorinox Jetsetter. Air travel, ridiculously restrictive workplace, slave in a foreign country, but you get the title of citizen, or walking into a post office or any other federal building that has a no weapons policy. This is going to be your best bet if you want some capability, because honestly, those are the best scissors out there on the market. That design, yeah. I really wish this tool didn't exist, but in an insane world where common sense is dead and buried and has been for a good long time, this is an option. Cons? I guess the biggest one would be that unlike the classic SD that's available in a wide variety of handle colors, including this nice subdued basic black, the Jetsetter, from all of my research, is only available in red. But that's a very minor thing. Overall, based on the circumstances already outlined in this video, the Jetsetter does get a conditional recommendation from me. All right, guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time. Please continue to stay safe out there, because unfortunately, yeah, this world is far from safe and it's far from sane. Try to stay safe out there, guys. I'll see you next time.